Hello everyone, my name is Sonji Anderson and this presentation is about natural disasters. We're going to do a brief overview. Natural disasters are more devastating to the poor. Natural disasters are a common phenomenon. The issues surrounding natural disasters are preparedness or the lack thereof. And why do people stay in natural disaster-prone areas? We're going to get 2 points of view from the experts. Expert number 1 is Dr. Adam Sobel. Adam Sobel is an atmospheric scientist at Columbia University, and he specializes in disaster preparedness. And Dr. Dara Nick Stevenson, PhD, is a secondary science educator who wrote the SAGE article, Human Response to Natural Disasters. So according to Dr. Sobel, climate change has been a hot topic for a long time, as natural disasters have been around for a longer time. Natural disasters are almost never a big deal until they hit major cities with large populations. Storm preparedness is the topic of discussion, with many questions about the lack of preparedness people seem to have in the event of major storms. The reasons for people not being prepared for storms could be a direct result of biases. People may expect the same results as before, according to Mitch Broad, Orlov, and Meyer. And then you can hear more about Dr. Sobel's perspective on this accompanying YouTube video. With Dr. Dara Nick Stevenson, she believes that social capital has something to do with your ability to fare well in a storm. When someone belongs to a group, and they can get resources and support, natural resources, this can keep certain individuals safe in a natural disaster. Marginalized communities may be misinformed about the seriousness of the storms or may not have the means to evacuate. Some individuals relocate to never return to their homes again, as what happened in Hurricane Katrina, according to Nick Stevenson, 2013. Educating the communities at school level can help to mitigate certain risks and dangers that older individuals in the community may overlook. Comparing the viewpoints of both of the experts, Dr. Adam Sobel believes that climate change affects extreme weather. Being prepared is important, and having a clear plan about what to do and when is crucial. And according to Dr. Stevenson, the poor are less prepared in extreme weather. Socioeconomic status and gender predict vulnerability in these situations, and social capital prepares the community and makes everyone safer. And both agree that preparedness is important. And these are the resources. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.